Hello, thank you for stopping by. I just wanted to share the beauty that is all around me and thought about the fact that right now I am being surrounded by love and the wisdom from these beautiful trees. And I just wanted to share that with you. Just feel the love that's surrounding you. And if you could write a script of what you'd like your life to look like, that would just make your heart sing. Would you add anything to it? Would you take anything out of it? That's something to think about, isn't it? We're the creators of our world, our path. So what would you do different? Or is your life just as you love it? I love you. Be well.